I did this myself. The comments are going so fast, guys, so please bear with me. Which Lisa and Elisa? I don't think you guys know her. Do you guys know her? Are you and Level friends? Yes, I am. Huh? Yes, we are. My bad. Are you rich now? No, I'm not rich. Who told you guys that? God, I'm getting sick, guys, and I'm wearing clothes that are short. Which province do you live in? I live in Bloem. So, guys, I think I'll see you guys maybe later on. If you guys are still up. Because I want to shoot TikToks now. It's most probably going to take me an hour or so to shoot TikToks. Yeah. What's your favorite color? Pink. I was about to. Yeah, man, you guys can see by the shelf. Pink. Pink's my favorite color. An hour, yes, guys. Like, TikToks take me long. You look pretty. Thank you so much. Where are you from? I'm from Bloem. Kingwana Bloem. Did you shoot TikToks with Monate? Yes, I did. Can I see your nails? Yeah, but there's these two which keep coming out. They keep coming out. Okay, guys, I am gonna see you guys maybe later on. How old are you? I am 18. Why didn't you post? I'm gonna post once the video drops. I'll stay up for you. Wanna blow me, you tested Bubbles when? How did I test her? What do you mean? Are you dating someone? No, I'm not dating. I love your eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wanna kasiak. Kubona. You wanna bloom. You changed your hair again. Yes, I did. I had to shoot a video today and I took out that red hair because I didn't like it and the way I installed it. So I took it out. Yo, guys, it's cold. Can we see a full body? I'm sitting down right now. I'm not gonna stand up. You guys will see me once I post TikToks. When are we getting a YouTube video? You guys are gonna get it on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. I'll try to